Welcome to the Hub of Knowledge. Study
Good evening
start.
guys, I hope you all are fine. So today I have come with a new video of part 6 of European continent. Hope you have seen all the 5 parts which we have already covered, and today we will cover major rivers of European continent. So guys, let's start with the video after a quick revision of the previous parts. So guys, you can see this is the map of European continent. I told you that this is Bay of Biscay, which lies between France and Spain. We read about 3 rivers, Seine, Loire and Garonne, which are the rivers of France, and I told you that this is Brittany Peninsula. Seine river flows in the upper part of France, and it flows into this is English Channel, and we read this is Loire river, which flows into Bay of Biscay, and Garonne also flows into Bay of Biscay. Here we read that these are the Alps mountain, which are situated in Switzerland and France, and from here originates a river, that is Po river, and which flows into Adriatic Sea. This one is Adriatic Sea. So this is Po river. And then we read also about these are Apennine mountains over here, and from here originates a river, Tiber river, and it flows into this is Tyrrhenian Sea. Right, now what we have to read today, we have to know about this Spain and Portugal, and we will read about the mountain ranges of Spain and the major rivers. So guys, you should know that on the border of Spain and France, as you can see it over here, this is the border of Spain and France. So there are many mountain ranges over here, means on its border and in Spain, and total 6 mountain ranges are there in Spain. So we will know about the mountain ranges now. So this is the blank map of Europe, and you can see that this is France, and next to this is Spain. Okay, now as I told you, on the border of France and Spain over here lies Pyrenees mountains, and the most important thing about these Pyrenees mountains are that 0 degree passes like this from the center of these Pyrenees mountains. So this is 0 degree and passes through the center of Pyrenees mountains. That means the mountain ranges which lies in both the hemisphere, western and eastern hemisphere, are Pyrenees mountains. So guys, as I told you about the 6 mountain ranges of Spain, so here to the south of Pyrenees mountain, here lies Cantabrian mountain range. So these are somewhat parallel mountain ranges, and to the south of this Cantabrian mountain range, here lies Central Cordillera mountain range. After that, to the south of the Central Cordillera mountain range, here lies Sierra Morena range, and to its south here lies Sierra Nevada. And the 6th mountain range ultimately over here, this is Vatican Cordillera. So guys, these are the 6 mountain ranges, and these are very important. First of all, we read about Pyrenees mountain range, which lies in both the hemisphere, that is western and eastern hemisphere, and then Cantabrian mountain range. After that, we read about Central Cordillera mountain range, then Sierra Morena, and then ultimately we read about Sierra Nevada and this Vatican Cordillera also. So guys, as you can see this map, this is the map of Spain, and here you can see this is France, and the border of Spain and France, here these are Pyrenees mountains, as you can see it over here. Okay, then I told you about Cantabrian mountain chain. These are the Cantabrian mountain range, and this one is Central Cordillera range. It is written over here Central chain, but it is also known by the name Central Cordillera mountain range. And then we read about Sierra Morena mountain range, and to its south lies Sierra Nevada. It's not given over here. You can see it in your atlas. I would recommend you to purchase the Atlas of Oxford, and you can see all the features in that book. And then after that, we read about Vatican Cordillera. So this is Vatican Cordillera mountain chain range. So guys, one thing to remember is this is Sierra Morena, and this you can see this is Sierra Nevada. So how can you learn this? This is M and this is N. As you know that M comes before, so Sierra Morena is before Sierra Nevada. Now we will know about the Tagus river, which flows in between Central Cordillera and Sierra Morena. So let's see this. You can see this map. These are the 6 mountain ranges of Spain, and you can see that this is Central Cordillera mountain range, and this is Sierra Morena, and in between these originate a river, that is Tagus river. It originates somewhat here, and then flows into Spain, flows through Spain, and this is Portugal country, and then it flows into Atlantic Ocean. So this is Atlantic Ocean. So this Tagus river flows into 2 countries, that is Spain and Portugal, and flows into Atlantic Ocean, and it originates in Spain between this Central Cordillera and Sierra Morena mountain ranges. And one more thing, here lies Madrid, which is capital of Spain. It lies on Tagus River. And also here lies Lisbon. As this is Portugal, this country is Portugal. So here lies Lisbon, which is capital of Portugal, and it also lies on Tagus River. That means the capital of Spain and capital of Portugal both lies on Tagus River. So guys, you can see this map. This is Spain and this is Portugal, as you can see it over here. And here, this is Lisbon. Okay, it lies on Tagus River. As you can see it over here, Tagus River originating in the Spain and then it passing through Portugal, and then this is Atlantic Ocean where it flows. So the city Madrid and this Lisbon, both the capitals of Spain and Spain and Portugal, both lie on this Tagus River. This is river Tagus, right? Now let us consider more features also. Now guys, one more feature, interesting feature, you can see that this is France and this is Spain. And here you can see lies a country. This is a very small country. Now the name of this country is Andorra. So this Andorra country lies between France and Spain. And this Andorra country lies in the eastern hemisphere. As you can see that this is 0° prime meridian passing through France and Spain, but this Andorra country lies in the eastern hemisphere. Okay. Now let us know about Iberian Peninsula. So guys, as you can see that this is Portugal, this is Spain, and this is Andorra. These three countries combine to form Iberian Peninsula. So this whole, you can say that this is Iberian Peninsula. So keep it in your mind that Iberian Peninsula consists of three countries, that is Portugal, Spain and Andorra. Andorra is a very small country which lies between France and Spain. So guys, as I told you that these are Pyrenees mountain ranges, these are Cantabrian mountain ranges, this is Central Cordillera, Sierra Morena, Sierra Nevada, and then here these are Vatican Cordillera. So as you can see that this is Cantabrian range. So from here originates a river, that is Ebro River. Okay, so from here originates a river, that is Ebro River, and then it flows into, this is Mediterranean Sea, as you can see. So it make delta over here, okay, in the Mediterranean Sea. This river only flows in Spain, no other country. And as you can see that I told you that this is Gulf of Lions, this is France and this is Gulf of Lions. Here Rhone River make delta, as I told you in my previous video, Rhone River. But here in the Spain, this is Ebro River which is making delta in Mediterranean Sea. That means it is a east flowing river. One more thing to consider over here is that some of the streams of this Ebro River are coming from Pyrenees mountain also. So these are Pyrenees mountains. So some of the streams are also coming from Pyrenees mountains. So from here you can make conclusion that Indian peninsula is tilted because most of the rivers in India are east flowing. But in this you have seen that in France the rivers were west flowing, as you have seen that this is Seine River, Loire and Garonne, and here in Spain you are seeing this Ebro River is well eastern flowing. Okay, that means this peninsula, Iberian Peninsula, or these countries are not tilted like our Indian peninsula. So one thing to keep it in mind now is that this 0° prime meridian, as you can see it over here, this passes through 4 rivers. That is, you have seen this is Seine River, Loire River and Garonne River, which lies in France, and also through this Ebro River which we have read it now. Let me show you it in another map. So guys, as you can see this map, these are Pyrenees mountains. I told you that some streams of Ebro River are also flowing from this. So these are the streams of Ebro River, and these here lies Cantabrian mountains, and from here originating a river, that is river Ebro. As you can see, this is Ebro River, which is the river of Spain only, and then it flows into this Mediterranean Sea, makes delta over here. Okay, now guys, we will know about Elbe River. So as you can see it over here that this is Czech Republic country, and this is Austria, and this is Germany. Okay, I told you that this is Jutland Peninsula. To the west of Jutland Peninsula lies North Sea, and to the east of this lies Baltic Sea. So let's know about the Elbe River. So guys, as you can see this map, this is France, this is Germany, okay, this is Czech Republic, and this is Austria, Slovenia, Poland. Now we are considering this Elbe River which originates from Czech Republic. This is the Elbe River which is originating from Czech Republic, and it is flowing through Germany, and then it flows into this North Sea. As you can see that this is Jutland Peninsula. To the west of this lies North Sea. So this Elbe River makes delta over here in the North Sea. And one more important fact you should know, that the capital of Czech Republic is Prague, and this capital Prague over here lies on this river Elbe. So keep it in mind that Prague, capital of Czech Republic, lies on Elbe River. More important river guys, as you can see that this is Elbe River. I told you it is originating from Czech Republic and then flowing through this Germany and then flows into North Sea ultimately. Now this is Weser River, as you can see, and it is the river of Germany only. It originates in Germany and then it flows in the northern direction, and then it also flows into this North Sea, making delta over here. But one thing to keep it in mind, that it is making delta to the west of this river, that is Elbe River. And this Weser River flows into Germany only, but this Elbe River flows into Czech Republic and Germany. Both drains into North Sea. Both the river drains into North Sea, but the delta of Weser River lies to the west of this Elbe River. And you can say that the delta of both these rivers lie to the west of Jutland Peninsula. And guys, one more important thing to consider is that these lie to the east of this 0 degree prime meridian. Let me show you it in map. So as you can see that this is 0 degree prime meridian. Okay, and the rivers Elbe River originating from Czech Republic and flows into North Sea, and this is Weser River which also flows into North Sea. So these lie to the east of this 0 degree prime meridian, that is in the eastern hemisphere. So guys, this was for today. I hope you like it and you got to know many of the rivers of European continent. So guys, if you like my video, please comment on it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.